Good morning. How you doing? It's Phil Thatch, and I'm out here playing with my new tilt shift lens. And today I'm going to try to take a picture early this morning of this building right here, which is the Verizon Wireless building on Highway 58. I've always thought it looks kind of cool, and even though it's only like 7:30 or 7:45 this morning, the light where it says Verizon is illuminated, so I thought that was kind of cool. I've got my composition dialed in and just a straight at it shot, and I'm shifting up about 3.5 millimeters. Pretty straightforward shot. I love the manual focus assistant on these Canon cameras. It dials it right in for you. 2-second timer, f11, 1/100th of a second, ISO 100. Quick, easy, and painless. There's a little white car on the left side of the frame that I wish wasn't parked there. Otherwise, I like this a lot. Oh, nope, there is flare in it. Okay, let's see. All right, putting my hand up there. Did take care of my flare problem, so that is great news. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here is the first shot, and you can see that I've cropped it to 16:7 because I like that wide look. Could have cropped it even wider, but I think 16:7 was perfect for this. And here's the car on the left-hand side that I wasn't fond of being in the shot. But the reason I had to reshoot is because there's lens flare. The sun was coming at the building from the left. That bulbous lens element sticks out and it will catch sun coming from the side. And as you can see right here and right here and right here, there's lens flare. So I reshot as you saw in the video, and I put my hand up enough to block the sun hitting the lens, but not enough to block the shot of the Verizon building. And here is that shot. And as you can see, just like the last one, it's 1/100th of a second, f11, ISO 100 with the 17mm tilt shift lens. Really cool. Like the way this turned out. I still don't like this car over here, and that's the drive-through machine for the Crystal restaurant that's right next door. And I didn't like this white car that was driving down the road behind me. This is my car, and it didn't bother me that much because it's not a bright color. And actually, if you look really close, you can even see me, or at least my legs, right here where I was working on the shot, reflected in these windows. But I used the AI remove tool in Lightroom, and I got rid of this car and the crystal thing and this car, and I left all the rest. So here is the final version of the shot, and I think I like it. Let's look at it full screen. There we go. I enjoy getting out and making photographs of buildings. Some people think it's boring, but I really enjoy it. And I decided that I would make a short video sometimes before I do bird photography of going out and shooting with my tilt shift lens, and I would call it short shifts. So here is the first short shift video. There may be more of these, or maybe not. And I'll probably launch these videos on Mondays where I normally don't have a video. All right, thanks for watching this quick shift with the Canon TS-17E lens. Old lens on my new Canon R5 II. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, reach down and hit thumbs up. If you want to see some more stuff like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.